can see, I took the concealer to this other part of my face, making it look wider. Hi lovies, how you all doing? You're welcome back. I feel excited today, maybe because this video is actually my best part when it comes to makeup. Like, what we are here to discuss today is actually my best part when it comes to doing makeup. So today we're here to discuss about how to highlight your face, how to get the best out of your concealer, because a lot of us don't actually know the sense and we make a whole lot of mistakes. So that transformation you want from your makeup, it starts with your highlighting, how you highlight your face. And of course, you know, or maybe you don't know, that highlighting, you use it to expose the places you want to expose on your face. I don't know, as to add, they said, just like artists do after drawing, they now add shadows, they now add lights. The light is what concealer does in makeup, and then the shadows is what your contouring does in makeup. You add your concealer to those places you want to pop up. This video, we will be treating how to do it and do it right, how to get the best out of it. Stop highlighting the wrong way. Do this thing the right way, based on your face shape. Based on your face shape, if you have oval face, if you have round face, they have ways of doing this thing. Forget the fact that everybody's following trends and we not do it over. That is why some people, after their makeup, instead of the whole thing being makeup, like just be just be the opposite of it, right? So when you don't do these things well, you're not going to get that effect which you want to get. So without wasting much of your time, let's just go into the common mistakes people make with their concealer. So to demonstrate all this, I'll be using two concealers here. This is from Zickel Cosmetics Second Skin, Zickel Cosmetics in the shade Creamy Ivy, and this is from Blossom Cosmetics. This one is from Blossom Cosmetics in the shade Golden Tan 145, Golden Tan. So these are the two concealers I'll be using in this video to show you whatever I am teaching you in this video. So let's just go into it. The first mistake people make during highlighting is when they want to achieve brighter under eye. When you want to achieve brighter under eye, you don't just go in first with that bright concealer that you need. No. When you do that, you're going to expose the dark whatever that you have there. So if you want a brighter under eye, taking a lighter shade of concealer and putting it there, when you blend it, you will notice that instead of the dark under eye or whatever you have there being covered, you will notice that you have exposed it the more. So what you're supposed to do is to first of all use a concealer that is close to your skin shade. First of all, use it there and get that coverage you want. Then you now add a little of that brighter shade of concealer. That is the one that will brighten the under eye. So you, my ladies, you can see how this other part of the eye is looking. I've used the light one here, so I'm going in with this one here. Like I said, I will go in first with it. Let's blend. So let's blend. Now that I'm done blending this one out, I'm done blending it out, I am just going to go in now and add this same shade that I added here. I'll add it here. Still little of it, not much. Little of it. Just go ahead and blend it immediately. Now this is the result we have after blending the two of them. Can you see? Let me come closer so that people can see. Can you see? This is where we use the lighter shade first. Can you see that it is looking whitish instead of being covered just like this? It's looking whitish, and it is actually exposing all the discoloration that I have. It did not cover anything, it just made it whitish. But here, can you see how this looks? So can you see the difference? So when you want to brighten your under eye, don't first go in with a light shade of concealer. No, go with that your perfect shade of concealer, the one very close to your skin shade. Then after that, you add a little of that brighter one that you need. That is exactly how to do it. So you guys can see. So let's just move to the second mistake people make with their concealer. The second one is not highlighting based on your face shape. Now, if your face is over, like you have a long face like this, that is when you drag your concealer to the side. I will still show you, you drag your concealer to the side. But if your face is over, like you have this round big face, avoid dragging your concealer to the side of your face. No, instead you drag it down. Instead you drag it down. When you drag it down, that your face that is too round like this, the concealer will disguise it in a way that it will appear longer. It will appear longer. And if your face is long and you take your concealer like this, it will make it to appear wider. These are the things that gives people transformation after makeup. Don't just do these things anyhow. And then again, if you have long chin, maybe this is chin or jawline, your chin area, don't add concealer here if it's long. Don't add concealer there because it's going to look longer. But if it's just normal or just short anyhow, just like my own, I cannot do makeup without highlighting here. No, my face is not going to pop. So if your own is long, then do not apply concealer there. And next place again is your forehead. The next place again is your forehead. If your forehead is too big, why are you highlighting it? Of course, you highlight things to make them more visible, to make them obvious. Your forehead is already like map of Africa, and you're putting concealer on it. What do you hope to achieve? That is when you now end up contour. Before you know, the product you build up on that forehead will be so much that before your occasion runs halfway, everything will start coming down, everything will break. Your own is not that big, you highlight it, you get. Minus that, you just need maybe a little, you want to that place to look a bit, just small place here, it's okay. So let's just put that into practice so that you understand what I'm saying. On this part of my face, I'll be showing you how to highlight your face if you have oval face, and here I'll be showing you how to highlight your face if you have round face, very bold face. So let's just get into it. So if you have oval face, when you want to do your concealer, drag it to this other part of your face. Like that, you'll be making the face look wider. You know that you have oval face, right? You have oval face, so you want to make it wider and not make it longer. Don't bring your concealer down. Take it to this side. Take it to this side. So let's just go ahead and blend that now. See with our beauty blender. As you can see, I took the concealer to this other part of my face, making it look wider, making it look wider. As I'm doing this, you might think that it doesn't have any effect. You might think that it doesn't have any effect, but these tiny things are what gives you that transformation you get after makeup. You drag it to the side as an over face babe. You don't bring it down. So on this other side again, I'm going to show you how to do it if you have round face, like very bold round face. You want to bring your concealer down and not take it to the side. Okay, so let's just do that. This is how to add your concealer if you have very bold face. You bring your concealer down. You bring your concealer down, not taking it to the side. No. Now that we've given that few minutes to get ready, so let's just blend it now. Let me blend it. I hope you guys can see me. And please, we are not dragging it to the side. And then, and now that we are done, can you spot the difference between the two sides of my face? This part is looking different from this one. Like, if you watch, everything does not align. Like, it doesn't look like the same person's face. So if you have a very round face, bold face, round, highlight your face the way I did here. Then if you have oval face, or if you have oval face, highlight like this. Highlight like this. Last part is your sheen. Please, if you know that your sheen is like that of Pharaoh, please, you have no business with concealer over there, because concealer will tend to make it longer. It will bring it out and it's going to look funny. Like, I see a lot of people doing it. You're doing makeup for somebody that have a very long sheen, you're still carrying a concealer to put there because you see people highlight. No, that is why when you finish that makeup, if the person look at herself in the mirror, she will not like it. She won't, because she will not look good. That jaw, that what do you call it, that sheen is already long and you're making it longer. No, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to use your, you're supposed to contour it and make it shorter. That is what you're supposed to do. Leave the foundation you've added there, contour it with a darker one, then put your powder, setting powder. It's going to look fine. But if your chin is just like mine, I don't even know what it looks like, or just normal, that is when you need your concealer on it, just like this, to brighten it up, to bring it out, and because this concealer is creamy, let me on fan so that it will just help me, so I'll be faster. I think that will do. Then we'll go ahead and then blend it. You guys will see what it will do here right now. This place is now popping out. And then another place people make mistake is here, the forehead. It's not everybody that needs concealer on the forehead. Not everybody, please. Not everybody needs concealer on the forehead. If your forehead is like mine, it's okay. But if your forehead is big, avoid putting concealer there, because it's going to make it stand out the more. I will use this my own and show you. The more concealer you put on the forehead, as in the wider the area you apply the concealer, the wider the forehead would look. You understand? The wider the forehead will appear. So if you want it to be bigger, to appear bigger, you add more of it. If you just want it just to shine a little bit, you add little, or you can even skip it at all. You can even skip it if you don't want. So let's just go ahead and do that so that you guys will see it. My forehead is not too big, it's not too small, it's just normal. So I will just add this. I will not add much. And you guys know I don't use much products. Just so these are the common mistakes people make when it comes to highlighting their face. And of course, there are also different mistakes people make in doing their makeup. And of course, we've been trying our best to make sure we solve these problems here in this channel. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you watch up until this second, thank you so much, and I hope and I know that you have learned something from this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to get notified. Till I come your way again, I love you. Bye.